everybody, I'm Marinya. Welcome back to my channel. I'd highly appreciate if you take a moment, subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a video. And this video is going to be super special because I am going to go all touristy and explore Paris. It's 10 a.m. right now. It's super windy and very cold. So let's go inside, have the breakfast and then make a move. The bus is right there. Okay, so the first stop in Paris is the Eiffel Tower. Oh my god, the urge to do this. Any which way, so we are going to the second level of Eiffel Tower and having our lunch over there. Also, on the way to the Eiffel Tower, we saw a lot of roadblocks because, as you already know, the 2024 Olympics is happening in Paris and also the French Open tennis is also happening. And yeah, we got to see the Arc de Triomphe as well, which is very similar to the India Gate, but yeah, which is made in the victory of French Revolution and having the names of all the French soldiers inscribed in it. That's it about the history, and let's go to Eiffel. The place we are in right now is like the most old and the expensive side of Paris. As you can clearly tell, every building is screaming the Parisian vibe. Amazing, right? And it's apparently only 12 degrees and it's 1 p.m. Beat that. Oh, sorry, 12 p.m.
Indian flag.
Oh, Indian flag.
Appears like an.
Also, Paris has a very bad reputation for all the tourist traps and like the thefts going on. So we literally kept everything in the bus locked and literally roaming only with food. We have nothing. Even my mom left her handbag inside. It's very bad. Also, there's a heavy security check when you're entering Eiffel. They do allow food, but all the bags and all the jackets they ask you to remove and then they check. We are literally below the Eiffel. And yeah, let's go to the level 2 and then explore the entire view of Paris from there. There are a lot of ducks over here and it suddenly started raining, drizzling rather. One, this is summer, and two, this is like the afternoon and it's like considerably a warm time, so the queue is huge. Good luck to us. Made it through the crowd. It's already 2:15 right now. We spent 2 hours in the queue. Very crowded. Now we finally made it to the lift lane. Let's go upstairs to the level 2. It's humanly impossible to go and stand there. It's so windy and extremely cold, like very cold. Okay, so done with the Eiffel. It is 3:30 right now. It took us 3.5 hours to just go up 2 stairs, click a few pictures, have lunch and come back. 3.5 hours. Like so crowded. it was 3:45 and it was glittering. I don't know, maybe it was a glitch or something, or they were texting, but it started the illumination just for a few, I think couple of minutes or something. It just happened. Literally, because of the 2024 Paris Olympics, almost 80% of the roads are blocked. So, you know, we literally couldn't stop anywhere, like hundreds of roads. I couldn't stop anywhere and click pictures. It's very sad. I did see the Champs-Élysées and then Champs-Élysées, sorry, and all the major monuments. And now we are in the cruise at the Seine River. And also, it's said that there are so many things at the Louvre. Even Mona Lisa is one of the major attractions. If you stand like a minute in front of each artifact, it will take you around 3-4 days to complete every other. Like those many things are there in the Louvre. And even the dynasty, like the royals used to live there earlier and then they shifted to the Palace of Versailles, which is far, like in the outskirts of Paris, and they converted the Palace of Louvre to a museum. That's the history. And now let's enjoy.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
We are in Paris!
Paris.
All the sightseeing that we did was the old side of Paris, and look at the new and the lesser expensive side of Paris, like all the skyscrapers and like the futuristic stuff. And also that's the place where we boarded the ferry of sorts. It says Bateau Mouche, which literally translates to flying boat.
And it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one.
The Louis Vuitton showroom. Oh, this is not the showroom. This is only built. The suitcase structure is only built to cover the construction.
as they were a year ago. But all will be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Raining so much, I can see a full rainbow and a double rainbow, like two rainbows. Okay, so it's 9 p.m. right now, and we just had dinner in the same Indian restaurant called Bhojan. And yeah, I got to try the new Gujarati dish called Patra. I'm not sure what it's made of, but it tasted quite good. And yeah, apart from that, today has been an okay day for me personally, because I expected it to be a lot more nicer, and I thought I will do a lot more things. But unfortunately, even like I spent, not me, but the situation was like that I had to spend like 3.5 hours in the queue only for the Eiffel Tower. I just went up, had the lunch, came back, 3.5 hours gone of my day, and it was already 3:30. And yeah, like even the hotel that we're staying in is quite far from the cities, so even the travel was like 1.5 hours. And yeah, all in all, it was an okay day. And also it was super cold, it rained so much, but the best part was we got to see a double rainbow, like from that end of the road to this end of the road. The best view. I got to like click like so many good pictures. Oh yeah, the cruise ride, that was the best part of the day. Appointments, I didn't try the macarons. I was very excited to do that. I couldn't do that, and I thought I'll go to some cafe. That also couldn't happen. And I couldn't visit the Louvre as well. It is a museum apparently, like those many things are there, and one of the famous thing is Mona Lisa, one of the earliest 3D paintings possible. Done with dinner, so I think we are gonna go and visit the Eiffel Tower once more, like during the night when the illumination happens, all the 20,000 bulbs on Eiffel Tower lights up. Hopefully we get to see that. So yeah, let's go. Why am I getting to see the golden hour at 9:20?
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I got all this potential that's deep inside of me. But they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things.
Got to see the illumination tour of, not the tour, illumination of the Eiffel Tower. It was one of the most beautiful things, and sorry for the bad lighting. It's the nightlife of Paris, and yes, it's very beautiful. Now let's go back to the bus and head back to the hotel. We're running super late. It's already 11:20. Let's get back.
It's like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed and then invest all.
Okay, so it's 12:30 right now. Finally made it back to the hotel. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be even more special. We are going to Disneyland. Anyways, that's gonna be in a separate video. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you did like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Until then, bye.